Hello guys, in my last video you watched about new neural filters by Adobe in latest 22.0 version. Adobe also called it Adobe Photoshop 2021. So you have already know about the beta filters. In this video you will watch about featured and fully functional neural filters and auto sky replacements. Let's start with the feature filters. Go to filter menu, then go to neural filters. First filter is the skin smoothing. Activating filter by sliding the switch. Here are two sliders, blur and smoothness. As I moved slider to right, the wrinkles and the small spots removed. Skin is already smooth. If you want more smoothness, you can increase smoothness slider. So no need frequency separation for normal skin smoothness. It saves lots of workflow. The next filter is a style transfer. Go to filter menu, then go to neural filters. Second one is a style transfer, activating filter by sliding the switch. As I activated style transfer of the last picture that I used in this gallery. Here are many styles, you can choose any as you require. I choose the cat style, style transfer. At the bottom you can see many options. First is the preserve details, second focus details. Third is a style strand slider, how much style you want to transfer. Next is increasing and decreasing brush size, and last one is a blur the background. So you can transfer any style to your image. Now come to the sky replacement. The new sky replacement feature in Photoshop lets you quickly select and replace the sky in a photo, automatically adjusting your scenery colors to match the new sky. You can now get the mood you want in your photos even if the shooting conditions were not perfect. You can save precious time when you are retouching your landscape, real estate, wedding or portrait photos. To get more precision, you can also zoom in and select just a selection of the sky or move the sky around to find the right configuration of the clouds or color you want. Go to edit menu, then select sky replacement. First I am testing it with the plain sky. Here is a picture of a white kingfisher with the blue plain sky. You can see Photoshop already added default skies. As I clicked one of the sky replaced with one click. It's amazing. No cutout and no need of a selection. Thanks for Adobe Artificial Intelligence. I have tested cool and warm sky both. Results are amazing. Now I am opening another picture of a landscape with the mountains and temple. Its selection is a little difficult, but results are amazing. Sky replaced perfectly. Now I am replacing another sunset sky. It replaced very well. Here are many options you can adjust further settings. You can see as I shift edge slider to the right, sky edges are going to the harsh, or as I move the slider to the left and the edges are going to the soft, more dissolved in the environment. So another slider is a fade. It is just look like a shift edge, but when we move it to the left, the sky looks are more natural and mountain edge also look better. The second option is a foreground adjustment. Here are two sliders, lighting adjustments, and the second is a color adjustment. In this picture, my picture light already suit to the sky, so changes are subtle. But when I replace the blue sky here, you can see how warm color converted to the cooler. So back to the old sky and move to the first option. Here are more sliders. With the brightness, you can brighten the sky or decrease the brightness. With the brightness, you can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. With the color temperature, you can add coolness or add more warmness. You can also flip the sky up or down. Here are two options after the final adjustments: duplicate layer and new layer. I am selecting a new layer and then click OK. Here you can find all adjustments are added in a single group, and every adjustment is showing separate with the mask. Means you are open to adjust more. You can see the layer for the brightness. We can also make changes here. Color temperature layer again open for further changes. It is our new sky layer with the masking. You can paint here if any complicated replacement. Next two layers are for the foreground adjustments, foreground lighting and color adjustments. In the foreground color, you can see the individual changes of the blue, green and red. In the RGB curves, you can see the all adjustments. You can also add any sky in the gallery and replace the sky. As you open the new image, Adobe automatically select the last sky. You can add new sky by clicking on setting icon and select new sky, or click on plus button. I am clicking on plus button and adding new sky from sky folders. Adobe asks the name for the new sky. I added new unique name, then click OK. It's great. Sky is replaced. So you can change any sky background that you have, even any of the image you shoot with the nice sky. Sky replacement feature is doing a great job. Let's see how it works with the complicated sky. I have opened a picture with the complicated foreground and selected the sky. You can also move the sky on the canvas. Here is another slider for scaling. So you can also scale your sky image. It seems like that it also works good with the complicated foreground. I am checking with the different skies. After adjusting background and foreground, click OK. Photoshop created a group of the all adjustments. Using Ctrl plus click or Command plus click in the Mac on sky masking layer to activate the selection. You can see the selection is not perfect. Many areas were not selected. Using shortcut Alt plus click or Option plus click on the masking layer, you can see here are still black area in the trees. Those are not selected. Now I am using a blending if option to remove the sky as we normally do. Double click on the layer to open the blending option. Select the blue in the blend if. If you want to remove or change the color of the current layer, select the top slider. As you move the slider to left, sky will be removed. The finest mode, select hold down Alt in the Windows or hold plus option in the Mac and drag left of a triangle. You will see it splits and refines the blendings. Now sky is removed. Even the small spaces between the trees also converted in the transparent. Now I am opening a new sky image and copy it and pasting below the edited image. Transform the sky by using Ctrl plus T in Windows and Command plus T in Mac. After transforming, create a solid color adjustment layer of the sky color. Change blending option overlay. Reduce the opacity to the 12%. It's showing perfect. So in this case, blend if option work better. But this is an exceptional case. Otherwise, new sky replacement feature is great and saving lots of time, and you will have more controls on the adjustments. Here is another option added in the select menu, sky. So you can also select the sky without using any selection tools. That's all for the today. I will come again with the more new updates in the next video. Thanks for watching.